Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I'll tell you what is TikTok used for. TikTok is used for creating, sharing and watching short videos, usually from 15 seconds to 3 minutes long. People use TikTok to show off talents, tell stories, share tips, or just have fun. TikTok is popular for lip syncing, dancing, comedy, beauty routines, cooking, and daily life clips. Many use it to go viral, grow a following, or promote their business, for example. Also, TikTok is a major place for trends, challenges, and learning new things quickly in a fun way. So that's basically it. I hope this video helps you, and if so, please leave a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.